Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change your username on Moodle account. First of all, open up a web browser to get started. Inside the URL box, type in moodle.org and search. Make sure you are logged into your Moodle account as well by entering your login credentials in the login screen. Once you are logged in, click on your profile icon at the top right corner and click on Profile. Inside Profile, click on the Edit Profile button. Now, change your first name, last name and any other information on the General tab. Type in your first name and then your last name that you want to change to. After you are done, click on the Update Profile button at the bottom, and within a few seconds, you will be able to change your username for Moodle. So that's how it's easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.